Your engine could be dying a slow, silent death, and you won't see a single drop on the ground. Most catastrophic engine failures start with hidden leaks, quietly draining vital fluids while you drive. No puddles, no warning lights. Today, I'll show you 5 invisible leaks that destroy engines from the inside out, and how to catch them before it's too late. Let's get started and make sure your engine isn't being destroyed without you knowing. First up, phantom coolant loss. This mysterious issue confuses even experienced car owners. You see your coolant reservoir level dropping, but there's no puddle, no sweet smell, and no obvious leak in the engine bay. The reservoir drops, but there's nothing obvious. Ignoring this can lead to serious engine trouble. Modern coolants can evaporate before hitting the ground, especially on hot engine parts. Check the water pump's weep hole for white or chalky residue. A sign coolant is escaping and evaporating before you see a drip. Use a coolant pressure tester to find leaks that only show up under pressure. Some leaks are so small they only appear when the system is hot and pressurized. Internal leaks, like a head gasket failure, burn coolant in the engine. Watch for sweet-smelling exhaust or white smoke from the tailpipe. This means coolant is entering the combustion chamber. Even if your temp gauge looks normal, slow coolant loss is a ticking time bomb. The gauge might not show overheating until it's too late. Overheating can warp cylinder heads and crack engine blocks, costly repairs that can often be avoided with early detection. Regularly inspect your coolant system, check hoses and the radiator, and use a pressure tester if you suspect anything unusual. Catching phantom coolant loss early can save you from expensive repairs. Transmission fluid leaks are often hidden. No puddles, just a slow seep through tiny cracks in aging transmission lines. Years of heat and road debris break down rubber and metal, creating microscopic holes that let fluid escape. Watch for sticky, dirty buildup. Transmission fluid attracts grime, so a greasy coating is a red flag. Wet spots or shiny areas along lines and fittings mean a slow leak could be draining your fluid for months. If your finger comes away slick, you've found the leak. Don't ignore it. Low fluid leads to slipping gears and warning lights. By then, damage is already done. Check your transmission fluid regularly, even if it takes extra effort. Catch leaks early for a cheap fix. Replace a hose or tighten a fitting before it becomes a major repair. Oil leaks are common, but tracking them down can be tough. Most leaks start at the top of the engine, valve cover gaskets, VVT solenoids, and other seals that face constant heat and pressure. As these gaskets age, they harden or crack, letting oil escape. Timing covers are another frequent source. Oil from these upper areas travels down the engine, sometimes making it seem like the leak is lower than it really is. Look for fresh wetness, dark stains, or greasy buildup around gaskets and joints. Oil often mixes with dirt, forming thick grime. Oil dripping onto hot parts like the exhaust can burn off, causing smoke and a burning smell, and even a fire risk. If you can't find the leak, try a UV dye test. Add dye to your oil, run the engine, then use a UV flashlight to spot glowing leaks. Catch leaks early. Even small leaks can cause low oil pressure and major engine damage if ignored. Fixing a leaking gasket now is much cheaper than a full engine rebuild. Stay alert, and your engine will last much longer. The most dangerous leak? Brake fluid seepage. It rarely leaves a puddle, just a thin, oily film around connections. Inspect brake lines, ABS modules, and the master cylinder for shiny or sticky spots. Even a tiny leak can let air in, making brakes spongy and unsafe. Warning signs? Soft pedal, longer stops, or dropping fluid level. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, worsening leaks and corroding lines. Don't top off and ignore. Brake leaks are emergencies. A quick fix now could save your life. Rubber hoses and seals are silent killers. Heat, oil, and age destroy them from the inside out. Squeeze hoses. If they're soft, cracked, or swollen, replace them. Check for swelling, blistering, or oily wetness around seals. These are leaks waiting to happen. Inspect hose. Ends for crust or discoloration. Signs of slow leaks. These parts fail suddenly and catastrophically, dumping fluids in seconds. Replace worn hoses and seals before they leave you stranded. A clean driveway doesn't mean your engine is safe. These 5 hidden leaks destroy engines every day. Catch them early and save thousands. Start your inspection today, and if you want more real mechanic secrets, subscribe to CarFix School. Stay safe, keep your car running strong, and I'll see you in the next video.